Hello and welcome to the instructional video for using the new NEKLS member directory and member web portal. In today's video, you will learn about NEKLS' new association management software, or AMS, the new member directory, and the basics on dealing with personal and organizational profiles. I'm Dan Alexander, Northeast Kansas Library System Continuing Education Consultant, and I'll be your guide. As mentioned, NEKLS has a new member directory on our website that ties directly into our new association management software, a system for managing our contacts. It's like a shared Rolodex where both people and organizations have internal profile pages. This allows us to do all kinds of things behind the scenes, but today we're just looking at the directory and users web portal. When you go to nekls.org and hover over resources, you'll see a link to the directory. I've noticed that it can load somewhat slow, especially if I haven't accessed it recently, but today it was pretty quick. The URL for this page is web.nekls.org/search. From here, I can use the search term. For example, Baser will provide me with 5 results. If I click on Learn More, I may see additional information, such as hours or fax machine number. Like the load times, some elements are still a little buggy. For example, in my testing, the visit link is not working. Instead of using the search function, you can also dive into our member listings by library type. Below the search page, you will find links to public, school, academic, and special libraries. You may find it convenient to bookmark one of these pages. A public library director may, for example, want to bookmark web.nekls.org/public-library. Below the links to the directory by library type is a message about the directory. For now, if you see that your directory information is incorrect, you can email staff your corrections. That's at nekls.staff@nekls.org. And we will see that they get entered. However, there's also a link to web.nekls.org/portal that will allow registered editors to update their personal profile along with their library's profile. First-time editors who are in the system will want to use the password reset feature to create a secure password. If you attempt to use the password reset feature and you are given an error that a user with that email was not found, then there is not a profile yet associated with your email address on file. Contact staff and we'll figure out why you're not in the system. Once you have verified that you are in the system by using the password reset feature, you will be able to use your email address on file as your username and the password you just created to access your profile page. Let's do a walkthrough with Library Director Dale Zander as he edits information about the test library. There's a lot going on in this profile page, so we will only focus on the aspects we are using currently. The first thing Dale sees is his member portal home. Before accessing the library's profile page, Dale may want to click on Edit this profile to correct or complete his personal profile. Dale can see from the relationship widget that the test library is a related profile. So above the menu, Dale has a button for switching profiles. He presses the button and switches over to the library's profile. This is where Dale will edit the library's contact information by clicking on Edit this profile, just like he did with his personal profile page. Currently, I am reviewing changes only on a weekly basis, but if you shoot me a message, I'll accept the changes right away. One note, email addresses can only be in the system once, so a library should only have an email address if it isn't used by a sole person. For example, the NEKLS organization profile is associated with nekls.staff@nekls.org, which isn't used by one individual person. We wouldn't want to put a directory email address here because that's associated with your individual profile. If you don't have a generic all organization address, just leave the field blank. You can see that the test library does have an outstanding invoice. This is a feature that may get more use as we have more experience using this association management software. Below the invoices, we are back looking at the relationship widget. Here we can see all the profiles associated with the test library. Staff, trustees, friends, all could be added by the editor so that NEKLS has updated contact information for all of the library's constituents. This allows NEKLS granular access to contact people for information. Great for trustee training announcements or when we need to get word out to all youth services staff that a summer reading workshop is coming up. If Dale clicks on View and Edit, he will be able to select who else will have editing rights. He'll remain the main contact, but he may want to select someone else to be the billing contact. For example, the treasurer. He can also opt users out of receiving communication. Dale can also click on Add a Profile. To fully flesh out a profile, Dale will want to fill out the fields on the initial screen and then click Save and Continue. Then he can make sure that an email address is included and along with other profile information. Dale can go back and add more information from the Actions menu. The changes he makes from the Actions menu will have to be approved. As board members or staff leave their roles, Dale may want to change their title or relationship type to former staff or former board member. He may just decide to delete the relationship from the Actions menu. That's all we will cover for now. One important reason for adding staff and board members to this association management software is because the same credentials are used to access our new online learning webpage. That is using the learning management software or LMS from the same company, MemberClicks. Once a board or staff member is in the system, they will be able to use the password reset feature to gain credentials for continuing education resources that we have to secure behind a verified login. I'll have more information about this LMS features in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.